Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the WhatsApp link and locating your form. Create a WA, Me, or API. WhatsApp. Com link with the phone number and optional text. This ensures one-tap chat. Open Google Forms and choose the exact form and spot where respondents will see it. Once done, decide whether the link belongs in a question, the section description, or the confirmation message. Each placement affects visibility and click rate. Make sure the link is tested in a browser first, so the next steps are smooth. Now you embed the link. If you want it visible on the form, add a short answer or paragraph field and paste the full WA, Me, or API. WhatsApp. Com link. Label it clearly so users know to tap it. Alternatively, click the three-dot menu for a section and paste the link into the section description for broader context. If you prefer post-submit contact, open Settings right arrow presentation, right arrow confirmation message, and paste the link there, which appears after submission. This is great for follow-ups and reduces accidental clicks. Finish by testing and fixing issues. Preview the form on mobile and desktop to confirm the link opens WhatsApp correctly. Mobile usually auto-opens, desktop may prompt WhatsApp web. If the link does not appear clickable, switch to the confirmation message or include a short instruction telling users to copy-paste the link. That solves many client quirks. Finally, test variations of the link and browser combinations to ensure consistent behavior, and make small edits if phone formatting or the message parameter needs correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.